It is our pleasure to invite Padma Bhushan Sri Bindeshwar Pathak, founder of Sulabh International, to share his thoughts with us.
Honorable Sri M.G., distinguished persons on the dais and on the audience. At the outset, I pray for the success of this work of hope and harmony led by Sri M.G. When he met me in Delhi twice, I readily agreed to come here and to participate in this gathering. I have been working in the field of sanitation, untouchability, human rights, and so forth. I am follower of Gandhi, and we have quoted Swami Vivekananda many times. One is one mission, one life. I have been able to give peace to women because they have no toilets in their house and homes. I invented the technology of Sulabh, and today it is solving many problems. Now women go to toilets with safety and dignity. Girls, they go to schools because less children die because of diarrhea and dehydration. Untouchables have been relieved from this occupation and brought in the mainstream society. I won't go in detail all these things. One thing I would like to say here, that I have not found any disturbance of peace and harmony in my public toilet in last 40 years. All go inside the public toilet. Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, lower, upper caste. I have not found any disturbance of peace inside the toilet. When they go outside, then they fight. So this is the best place for national integration. There's no fight. Always peace and harmony. They go to toilet, they take bath, they take drinking water, and they don't say he's a Muslim or a Hindu or a Christian. Nobody says, or a scheduled caste or upper caste or Brahmin. So this is the best place for national harmony. Now, because time is short, our time is not here, so I won't explain. But my definition of religion is I am of human religion. And my caste is a Indian caste. I have defined, time is not here for definition, just I should introduce by these two words, that my religion is a human religion. And my caste is now caste Indian. I'm Indian caste. No Brahmin, no scheduled caste, no upper caste, no nationalist. I'm an Indian. This is my caste. And every faith, who is God, which can create beings? Only the water, earth, sky, fire, and wind can create a life. So these people, they are the messenger of gods. The Christ, the Pegambar, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, all were the messenger of God. The God is only one which can create the beings. So my definition of religion is that religion cannot change. जो शाश्वत हो, इटर्नल हो, it cannot change. समय काल से जिसमें परिवर्तन न होता हो, समय काल और स्थान, सो जिसमें परिवर्तन न होता हो वह धर्म है. अग्नि का धर्म है जलाना. Wherever you have fire, it will burn. So all these are, I say, culture. Who is great? Your father, your mother, or my father, my mother? Both are equal. How you can say somebody is greater, some religion is more good than other religion? So my difference is a little different. Anyway, the time is short, so I will just conclude that I have wiped out the tears from the eyes of the untouchables, widows, women, the girls, and so on and so forth. And what is said? Those hands are holier who help the people, who serve the people, than who pray. So pray also is good, but must serve the people. God has helped you to help someone, and we have helped millions and millions of people. So I say, in some time, on some occasions, I will certainly go and discuss with all these things with Sri M, and I'm thankful to him that he is trying to bring humanity and the peace with human initial integration, and India requires this. So I just say conclude. Today my religion is human religion, caste is Indian caste, and I love all faiths, all cultures, because I consider faiths and cultures. Religion is one, not two. Thank you.